Another video. I'm here again with my class and with my laboratory students. Today is the second day of the week and second day of my performance, my students' performance in the laboratory of BS Part 3 or MSc Previous. Today again it's the second subgroup which I have to explain. So again definitely I'm going to start from the zero. From the zero they are going to understand each and everything, because they are new students. They won't be able to remember what I have taught them in the last week, right? That was the introduction, in the week in which I gave the introduction, the introductory week. So again start from the zero, so it's really tough. So I can show you my students. They are over here. They are about to enter the lab now. Most of them are here, so I will start I am going to start explaining to them. So now most of the students are here, the girls are here, and they are just planning to join me, and the boys are standing here. Come on boys, girls aa jaye, so that we can start our session. So now I have explained them, now they are going to join. I have demonstrated the experiments today because it's a new group, as I've just explained. I just mentioned that they are new, so they need to understand everything from zero, from the very beginning. So it took me almost 1 hour in explaining them everything, the first step of this experiment to identify the compound. So this is how they are doing right now. I can show you. So the students are standing here and they are waiting for their compounds. They are getting... What are you doing, beta? You have your compound in your hands? Fine. What else you are doing? What do you want?
Ma'am, we take some elements. We take benzoic acid and now we take an acids.
Fine. So the boys are now doing it, and they are also writing down their findings. They are holding the compound and they are examining the compound, and they are moving on accordingly. They are directly putting their data in the journals, as I have explained them. They have to do everything directly. They have to put their data directly on their findings directly in the journal. So this is how they are doing it. Boys, all boys, and the girls. Girls are also doing it. I'm not filming their faces, but they are also doing it. Their compound is here, and they are making their journals. They have to put the data on the spot. So this will save their time, and they will be, speedy in completing their work within the given period of time. So this is how the girls are doing, as they are dealing this compound for the very first time. So they are performing for the first time, and they never knew how to prepare the journal. So this is how they are preparing their journals, and this is the scheme, and this is how they are doing it. Girls are doing the litmus test. So that's it.
Dissolve हो गया सही से?
Yes.
हाँ, that हो रहा.
Yes, ma'am, it is an acid.
Show me.
Yeah.
Blue to red.
Yes,
so that's it.
It
Okay.
is an acid.
Record your result. Record your findings. Boys are also doing it. Yes. So you are doing the litmus test?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Dissolve it. Try to dissolve it. Try to speak in English. You are now grown-ups. Stop speaking in other languages. People are watching you. Use a glass rod to dissolve, and if it's not dissolving at room temperature, add the more solvent or heat it. Heat it from upside down. Upside down. This is it. This is the right side. Yes. So dissolve it. Add some more solvent if it's not dissolving. Add more solvent. More solvent. Take some more solvent and try to dissolve it. If it doesn't get dissolved, then just warm it over the flame, right? or on it's an alcohol, so it's recommended that you should use a boiling water bath, because alcohols are volatile in nature, they can catch fire. Keep that thing in your mind. I'm done with my today's lab work, and now I am moving towards my office so that I can have a cup of tea. I deserve a cup of tea because I'm here since 8 o'clock, so I do deserve a cup of tea. Now look at my hair, all disturbed. So this is chemistry. You can see the long corridors all empty because students are inside the classes, and the labs. Yes, this is where they are supposed to be. So I'm moving towards my office right now. See you with something new and something more interesting and exciting.